you can see these are the dots or the players that have been separated on the basis of their performance, on the basis of their components. Okay, and each dot represents different players. There are around 9, there are approx specifically 91 dots here. So you can see that this color, if I click on it, okay, it will show a blinking. For example, right here, it is around finch. It blinks when I click on it. See, okay. So it disappears when I click on it and then appears. So from this, I can find out my components or my players using it, or my, if it is for any biological data, then if I am using it for any specific compound, then I can find and have the information on this compound. Okay, so these are the various uh, players that I have took for my study, for this practical that I was able to explore using these data sets. And also this data set I have prepared using some arbitrary value, and this were solely hypothetical. uh, you can see all the colors, different colors represent different players and their criteria. I have separated out these all players using three principal components that I will later on explain. Okay, thank you so much.